Okay, Mami and Papa, them fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, good morning. And of course, good morning to the happy people of the world. And we'll never forget all man where they enjoy Thanksgiving today for the United States and other parts of the world. Well, today I will be very brief. I see some people they write say they need to receive notification. Yes, we don't know what they receive notification because some people feel receive them, many others no receive them because Facebook don't suppress this page. Which means say some people they even come for the page, they don't even see me. And you know how this thing works. Now them get their computer and they know what they do. But at the end of the day, everybody will still get this message because we also get pictures there. They will share for WhatsApp, they will share for Twitter, they will share for YouTube. When I finish this show, my brother and friend Salas at Tefo will take and put them on YouTube. Today now Thursday, November 26th. Wait, me say remain only how many days for December? My accountant. 30 days have September, April, June, and November. So me say it actually remain 4 days for we forget into 1st of November. Alright, so we're not confused for count days. So remain 4 days for we forget into December. And December, now wait to be very peculiar about December. I want to talk as far as this revolution be concerned. Now wait to be the most important thing, most significant thing about December, where I will discuss and where it be very crucial for the Ambazonian revolution. And I will make a declaration where it will be stunning. I want you to listen very attentively because when we fight the revolution, I always talk about the people that they be key for the success for the revolution now them and the population. I don't hear some side them suppose they try for advocacy because regional elections they come. You will get shut down for the whole of Ambazonia. That is madness, and I will explain why. You see, the difference then I say, when you get an idea about what they call them say publics, any field of study or activity or business execution, it get publics. Publics means who they be directly involved, who they be affected. Regional elections, it not affect the population, not the population be involved. Now, a category of people, where if at all, some of them I make nice on WhatsApp group, if I want to do anything, I got to strategize on how to target those people, not be the entire population. The whole government are not getting nothing to do with regional elections. If you join, please, as you join, make you share, and then make you hashtag no regional elections. That one will be fuel. That will tell you which way it will happen on the ground. So I will make it very clear, and I will bring on the statistics, more to understand which are the talk. The regional election not concern Ambazonia, by the way. Although it will hold to inside Ambazonia, it will hold for other parts of inside the Republic. But people, the way they can advocate for punished population because of regional election, that hate they not be normal. Because they don't even know why they fight. You get the point? They don't know why they fight. Councillors and chiefs that they go vote. They go shut down the whole Bamenda. Bamenda man and voting. Or Boya man and voting for regional election concerning voting. Or you be picking regional election how it concerning. These are the things that I say, some of these leaders, the way they call themselves so-called leaders, you know when people in America, Europe, they don't get job. They be so confused because, to be honest, poverty is a crime. Especially when you're lazy. Better when you hustle, you need to succeed. You be comforted, say, yes, I'm putting my effort in this thing. Everybody is here, every your family is here. But when you come to America, you can't tell your 2 and you should don't trouble come. You visit a go tell and go pay this, go chop crap. Like how this non-entity they do here. You must make mistakes. Because to be honest, if you get a busy head, you go anything with concern, because anything with concern, the amber war and the treat and they say, and the calculate and say, okay, now my business, if I go so, I will succeed. No, you don't succeed. Get the point? Some group of people, this one get electors, but some point they go to say, oh, they will lock down the whole Ambazonia. Are you not stupid? How a regional election concern man with Kiliwindi? We'll be honest. How regional election concern man with Kiliwindi? So make it be very clear, and I will bring the statistics. Me and Ambazonian policy. We don't almost have 1,000. Though they don't suppress me, so this is to say thank you and I don't announce the show. So make all we will understand one thing. And I will read them very carefully. I will do the analysis. Population be the key. When I see people the way they do anything and all their own activity now for contravene, you know, the legality where they in place of safeguard population, I look at the laugh. To be honest. Now we'll listen very attentively. So on December 6th, regional elections go hold. They will one hold regional election across Ambazonia. But now wait this way, we'll get for note. And this note, I talk very clearly. For this election, if me, Eric Tato, I not take action for go disrupt polling station, election will hold. And now I want to talk today say, when I be say on get money for draft now for December, God put on give on a time for test on ability. The pack money on the don't collect and might tell on what you will do with that draft money. Listen very attentively. 6, I want you now in case Chris Anu, Sako, and the gang of pigs, they don't know what you will do. Might give you a roadmap, how on draw on a plan for disrupt regional election. No, she don't for you to make noise. You don't go shut down the whole boy, the whole Bamenda, and you on the claim. Any man if I respect shut down for regional election, the man too, he get problem with head. It means no, he left from me right. Now, no longer be the Minister of Second Education. If they go inside Limbe, if you work a free, the highway foul, the work for Thanksgiving Day or for Christmas Day, freely, unhaunted. Now, Sako in area that all the people they make noise say they come off Fako. Now, in area that. Now, never longer don't go work at it freely. Should they come up, come give interview. When I not do nothing, now one come now go target population and PWD and so on and so forth. My doing at the calendar for regional election. And nobody not going to temper with the population. The population from Bangladesh be golden. All you announce on that you diaspora and I make audio, the threatening population, threatening people that people them time don't pass with that nonsense. If you collect money, then you contribute money, you say you get draft 2 million francs or 2 million US dollars. In a time when you got to use the money, the act, not for can make audio, the one people, the tell people that go bomb boss for player them. Nobody does that. Listen very attentively. When I don't collect money for draft, in case I don't forget, now December this, it ain't 4 days. Before all the time I don't collect another money, me, Eric Tato, I stand down. For the election day, no man will under my command, no will take any action. So I mean, I'm going to see how Sako don't decide them. Because if I go from police station, I go disrupt the police station, they will talk say na draft money. When I use the draft money now, any action where they disrupt police station, when I take a say na Sako don't do, I can't talk say yes na them. So no person when you listen Eric Tato, no will act. All man will retreat, will stay calm. When I use money for draft, when I go fight now regional election, and I will give you specifics. If I decide, I think today so I think name say. For the polling station, this election will go. When I go see how people will appear for the disrupt, take the ballot. But I will not do it. Because another over noise over there for Russia. When I take money, how do you contribute money for go buy guns? Someone can go chop crap. How if you green says Sako go chop crap? Crap for 900,000, almost 1 million francs CFA. Then when I come out, I talk say, no, we got for just continue to fight the war. So I will fight the war, even man you chop crap. Crap, I don't ask them many times, say, guns and they inside crabs. You don't see on Red Lobster for America, they say gun inside. Now crab, seafood, sea bars, now that fish for water they sell them. But now the place that way Sako the frequent and often. So listen very attentively, Amazonians. Number one, there will be no lockdown, and even if lockdown, there will be absolutely insignificant, it will be inconsequential. It gets zero impact. If I lock down the whole Amazonia, that election, the only thing will stop the election, now firepower for the polling station. And I will give you the polling station there. Each was like claims when I don't contribute for counties and whatsoever on a war draft. When I draft for this side, when I draft this, when I make big propaganda for social media. Now is the time for translate the propaganda into action. Listen very attentively. 6th December, in case you don't know the date, because I know say Sako they make only no Christian, and they don't even know in the regional election, but they make noise. May I give you the details. 6th of December, now regional election, number 1. Number 2, you get 10,267 councillors the way they will cast ballot for 100 polling stations. Listen very attentively. And if you don't know, you get to understand exactly the strategy, the way they will go further. So when you look at very well and you look at attentively, how many traditional rulers a day? You look at all those analyses. So the people that will vote, listen very well. The people that will vote, you get chiefs, traditional ruler, and councillors. So I'm not even need to go any further. My doing a simple technique. If you want to disrupt regional election, take all chiefs and keep them until after election. Take all councillors, nothing I get for doing. I don't know the technique. Now the only way that you know get nothing for do sending market or on that day. You know get nothing. The only way for stop regional election and for take people and keep them after election you release them. But when I'm not doing because I'm not even get the power, when I don't get the might, when I only rely on a lie. Yes. If me, Eric Tato, I decide I won't stop winning election for any part of Amazonia, I don't go for one subdivision or one county. I just take all the chiefs and go keep them until after election. Take all the councillors. When I know, I feel do it, but I will not do it. Because I therefore WhatsApp when I own only noise. When I not even get this strategy. Tell me which Amazonia don't can draw this strategy. Now tell you for the preacher. But now I own the target of PWD. Target this. When I not even know who are the publics, who they be involved for the regional election. When I generalize the whole population, and when I choose to be leaders there. No, we'll be honest. When I ask myself, and you there for America, then Europe, you support these non-entities. Every common roadmap, strategy. So particular thing where not even involve any stress. When I want to talk, say, okay, when I want to start treating police, oh, if you see motor, where come on, corner, you go to place, will shoot them down. How many driver when you drive from Kumba to a corner, it concern original election, it go vote. You do anything about your public. Now, I'm not going to on any day. That's why I say sometimes, listen. Not my fault, I go to school, I understand communication, I understand theory for cognitive dissonance, I understand a lot of theories when it comes to population, mainstreaming, all those things, agenda setting. I set the agenda. Say, now this particular group of people, this is what we call in public relation, publics. For example, if you want to resolve the issues for US election where Donald Trump be claimed fraud, where me I know say, oh, even the people that support Trump, you know say it's not fraud, not they. Because for America, especially why they for Cameroon, they right now about US election pass even you they for America, we see how the thing they happen. They want shoot, they no pass format. But now they right for right. Now only play the way Biden win, where they say fraud day. Play where Trump win, fraud not they according to them. And the dipole they vote only Biden according to them. They put the day for election for polling station. Judges they say fraud not day. They say fraud day. They see continue say fraud. For US election, who are the publics? Donald Trump never carry case for US election for voters fraud. Say go to a police station. No, na wrong public. He never carry and say he bring them for come home meeting with the Kenyan community. No, in a wrong public. He go outside, go for court for the electors. He go for secretary generals and so on and so forth. That is the public. There is no discussion with police and all of those things. You don't carry matter for court for voters fraud. You bring up a police station for Prince George's County. You will not work. Now the same way, any matter for division, therefore you think about publics. Who are the public? Who are the publics in the regional elections? 2, chiefs and councillors. Stop them. You stop the election. Not go involve population. It's madness. It shows how we be untidy in our mentality. We be so broke in our reason. We never even calculate because you don't have a morning time. You never WhatsApp group. You even pay because some of them they talk say one message for record one message or WhatsApp people they pay $10 and I don't stop for recording messages. Yes, that's what I think. I went to that WhatsApp for doing. Me the institute fee for record audio. Man see one of them make one audio them. Because it don't look normal. You don't go say, oh, you will see on the street, we'll kill you, we'll do this, kill who? I want to stop my one say banana on election day. Wait from a particular policy. How election, regional election, they can consent mommy for a corner. How I consent student for Boya. How I consent my one church. How I consent driver when the driver will get daily bread for a family. To be honest, are we crazy? Is this thing will be normal? What kind of this sensitivity is this? And I don't. But some people are just too dull for extra way. I don't understand. Because if truly so the fight for independence, then I don't know what you will really fight for at the end of the day. You said she don't say think for yourself. Say you get typhoid fever. Instead of take go hospital, so you take go for fever, you go job. Fever go job, you go cure typhoid fever. This is what you are trying to do with the regional election thing. You have a fever, you are going to jog instead of go to the hospital. If man get coronavirus, you take it go for bakery instead of go for hospital. That is what you guys are trying. I want to bring this simple explanation. I want to understand the dullness and how much it can cost a life. Say man no where you get COVID-19, you never take go for hospital or for treating, you take go for bakery, for go buy in a bread. That's what people can do the regional elections. Chiefs and councillors are voting. You want to tell mommy, me no go cut vegetable. Man, hear that nonsense. See, at the end of the day, one thing be straight. You see, common sense is not common. Sako, Chris Arnold, and the rest don't demonstrate, say, that mentality don't be corrupted by thievery. I was still talking. So, when I get draft 2 million, this thing, and it will be like a big blow, say the election whole way, because councillor and chief, are the smallest one, I don't go take them. Who they will more when no council the house? If me, I want, now say I don't want to take no action. If I want to stop election, I go for Manfred, I go take Chief Dr. Oben, I take Ayoka Kunchun John. I didn't like so, and I take them, keep the suit 10 days election pass before I leave them. I tell them, but I will not do it. If not before, I know I'll do it. But what, because if I do it, they'll say, oh no, na draft money. When I use the draft money, go do an amusi. And I make this thing clear for honor. Any day I stop for talk of the revolution, it's over. Quote me when I'm not the talk. Because almost of that, 9% of them make noise in the worship. Strategy is not get and for preach message to encourage population and not be done. You never also share the message to cash population on day for regional voting. How regional voting concern population? Well, I want to talk yesterday, say PW, me no man no go PW. So person guy me say, oh no, we got to do so because PW and so I say no. Say they get principle of higher good. When you do classification for your enemies. More any assume say PW na black leg. Now number how many for black leg list? So if PW is number 1,000 for black leg list, for example, so you don't need number 1 to 100 when a minister and porters on the campaign. You not talk about them. You get the guts for do all you go corner PWD. Man is private business. PWD they say like how would you talk? It did a school. If you don't know, those are no go areas. Now our own club. You know the number of sympathizers of Bamenda and across the way where PWD get them. You got touch PWD. You know how many international corporations, football leagues, they will ride against Ambazonia. And when the club, where one do thing, they very Christian be opening up to go attack UN. Sometimes I ask myself, say, this guy they go to school, tell the Christian you never even go no school. You know, go no school. That's a man that has never worn a good suit in his life. All his suit, they get that. Mama Gaya Kabadem. Mama Gaya blessed memory. Today, I wear suit, they wear tie, cast them, they make, take their gamma list away, don't knock and come off a phone top on the wall. It's not normal. You get the point. What's on our senses indeed? Who be honest. You go attack PWD. Al Ali go right. Barcelona go right. CAF go right. FIFA go right. And Barcelona then is finished. When I need think, when I just say you feel fight war in isolation. They really all this fight now because despite the fact that plenty countries then you can't declare public for we they still sympathize with for back. If America decide today say one worry we will they for the talk this for live show, you know what will happen with. They'll just do something so just move you. They don't do and say they violate your right to do something, they'll set you up and you are gone. You do nothing, you'll be in jail. So when I sit down for year, when I enjoy liberties, when I enjoy free money, people they contribute them, when I thief people that money, thief contributions, then when I still want to go thief life, they will not be necessary. Go find me some mayor for some people he promote La Republic. Gary the mayor, I can't clap for you. Catch me all councillors they won't go vote. I will clap for you. No can tell me say PWD. PWD now they go vote for regional election. Your own village will come up Christian when I get how many councillors they vote. They not talk about councillors. So at the end of the day, they don't even know who they vote for regional election. Because for some of them on a calculation, I say regional election are the whole Southern Cameroon go vote. No. A regional election is different from the general election. Get the point? It's different from the municipal and from the parliamentary and municipal election. So when they make when they expose stupidity to the world. Every day man will come talk for corona. Because they only ever year 12. Una only hear when they have na one year. You guys don't talk say me lockdown be for regional election. Is that not stupidity? That's stupidity. Anybody you join you share, we have 1,000. Though the page is terribly suppressed. I'll be amazed. No announcement. That is the strength. And then some suppose you can talk say me they go do the and so on and so forth. I want to listen. All mommy, them, papa, them, sister, brother, all man, go do your work on the 6th of December. Not concern you. Police station, they will cancel or don't drive up, or the military will even guide them. They go vote. They go back to the house. You won't stop now, mommy. Suppose they go do that. You want to person don't know why you go chop. You won't have. Well, I'll be honest. Oh, Jesus Christ. To be honest, right? Maguna a fair classification for side the revolution day. Fair and honest and objective way. No amber. Don't forget courage of them. Now so the share population solidarity 50-50 to military. Quote me anyway, I mean every time. Now 50-50. Maybe military even get 55 or get 45. Yes! You know the truth, my fear or talker. That's where the revolution is. If you don't know, I'm talking to people on the ground. So that one day they call a cake. Now, okay, but I'm calling him. It harass people. They put any of that side on Jan. It lock market for come. They do any kind of thing. And then put the that side. I call us. They on Jan. I control. And I need talk nothing. Fight that. Go take levy for putting levy get away for chop. Fight that. Go take levy for putting not get away for chop. So if we're not sure about drawing ball and draw the situation, what's out there for Amber? My son, I want to get to know my papa property. Put them back where my father died since 2003. Since 2003, where I just go, I don't go past all levels. I enter lower first month, so they bring me back on blame. I can't cry my papa for can then bury. Then my papa is found. Get them very clearly. And now I never down there. If he fail, it will affect them now. As well, it's not fair. Person should not be diaspora tip money tell and they work on a carry on a year for Gombe. They don't even get a home for chop for America. Man, let's sacco wait for here. He pass through it. You had the self finger for good. You had the self finger for good every day. You will come out 2,000 or 3,000 profit. Sacco not get $1 when I own. If not contributing or chop, you never you carry because matter of America, the mystery of America, I don't understand. Plenty of this one are there for Dango and a better passport of America. Matter of money and Europe and all over. Especially when they can't no one work. So that time when I get honest evaluation for the revolution. And it tell them say solidarity don't be shared. 50 amber, 50 military, and military put fire for make sure they take every 80% the war end. Any time when military was successfully get 80%, 90% of population support, the war don't end. That's it. It's over. If you don't get population support, forget about the war. If you don't go watch Designated Survivor, when they want to cash on terrorists, they talk say population there for that place. The terrorists go hide now under bunker away in hospital. The president to say enough press nuclear because population children do any side for war. If America want to strike, America they make sure say casualty human in civilian casualty be minimal. In fact, zero if they fit avoid them. But on our own when I go do something. Chris Angley can preach that we get 100% civilian casualty. If not be saying a done on a republic mentality, how you can't go attack PWD? Then porters don't give the campaign for the BLM. Now don't give the campaign for Limbe. We are not going to attack. We're going to attack the PWD. They're very Limbe when PWD go for training, person individual club. Now they're very Limbe when Nalowa Longa when a minister when you support Paul the other day. You don't talk about Nalowa Longa. You talk about PWD. You know that's the point. So at the end of the day, people they say, oh, okay, you know what? I hear some people they say what happened to Guzan and so on. I don't know your audios. I know what very funny, make no comment. When I make comment, now they go on can't talk, I know back no man. And then you can't talk because it concerns this A, B. No. I'm not a person who brings vindictiveness into issues. I talk with reality, with facts. Our people deserve the truth. You get the point? So when I go shit down, when I go desperate, I only make us what's up. The revolution is moving, is going ahead. Going where? Where military, military, see the highest victim of military. Maybe I say go keep poor. Now they be having poor population, they struggle for gain population support. If you like go down, go for some people ask for you say Amber military prefer na who. No man no 1 year Amber. Some side they don't say no 1 year military. Yes. Because I'm not able to respond. No, I see the reality for say we solve this very crucial issue. Every day you can cry that this is what will destroy this revolution. Nani here every day. Someone who can say, "Me go keep PWD, the share and be glad." No, you glad. Say that man, no, without any sort of calculation, focus and non-cause. You don't even put non person ahead. You see the point? when I look and so, I see people they like Guzan again and so on. But I tell you one thing, the problem I say, they keep picking up for bui. Una look at the same joke. Now Guzan I say they say na 3 people they be involved. I know I even investigate. Now they make Ojo the whole place. They make the whole place. They make Ojo. Everywhere in the Ojo say Guzan do this, Guzan will do that, and so on and so forth. All lives matter. But whatever be the case, I can't condemn my they wrong when I don't investigate them. So this thing be very crucial. I want warn Chris Anu and Sako. May they stay off our revolution. And when I will believe in me, now after December, the regional election will hold 100%. How many percent? Write them down. 100. 100% will hold. Because me, I'm not going to take no action. If I take action, I think it's got 50%. I know how to do it. At this time from now till 6th of December, I take half the councillors. Keep them. I need touch no man. Yeah, with my personal resources. And then also on the social media, when I say, oh no, every doctor should do this, he should do this with what? When I give me money, which one I never done money, give me say, go fight the war. No, we'll be honest. Apart from people the way they say, some project they come in, they support and they see their results. When I work on me 2 million, give some person, I wait na me every tattoo. Me. Mago, I fight for now. When I give me money, say no, every tattoo should be doing this, it should not be doing that, and so on and so on. Listen, let me tell you something. I not be give which I not get. You get the point? I get 2 eyes, and I need all the 2. I not give one, the more one. If I get 3 eyes, I think give 1. If I get some reserve for some place. So put that one in your mind. So when we see people then, when I tell now, me, I just stand down within the election. I need to take 1 eye action. And when I go see away all activities I don't put my hand in, I don't cause a considerable level of. My tell you the truth. If I go can open my voice, talk say this, most of that council will not go. When I order an activity and I make away the many online, me they use that voice, threatening council, they might see my go listen. But me, Gary Master, Macwo, I tell now. If I like, I show sample. Tomorrow I take the 2 from Manve Keeper. I leave them back, they go vote. Tomorrow I take 2. Now we hear news. Say 2 councillors. Okay, my daughter is simple, right? From man, I will take 5 councillors between today and tomorrow. I'll take 5 councillors. When I will hear 5. When I will see them. I will take them keep up. I will take about 1 keep up. I leave them, they go vote. The animal will strongly go take them 2. It's simple. No, to be honest, I'm not going to do nothing. But I'm going to show you for sample tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll take 5 councillors. Pick up from a Mojok Aqua. Just take them randomly. 5. I keep them. When I'll see them. Very easy. I think the time I want to I think leave instruction now. They take them. Yes, I can do it. So now, I get active in the online when they talk like all their boys, they're a woman. They don't know where to put on. They don't know their left from their right. Every day, that conspiracy. Now is the time to produce results. You see? Regional election will Mr. don't agree special status, but I will overturn them. So I use money for that. 2 million is not a joke. You know how much be $2 million? How many Africans they get 2 million? Calculate the percentage. For how many Africans get 2 million of America when they get them cash in a bank account? So at the end of the day, when I there for day, when I defeat say no, every time to get, I'll not be killing myself. You get the point? I'll not be killing myself. I therefore no, to be honest, some point don't pay the lease. Pay the car note, pay the insurance, pay the this feed, then send that people to school. My man, let me tell you one thing. That time don't pass. That time don't pass. If you want something, go get it. If you want fight war, we contribute. We come, I think you know directives. It's okay, now this is a project, let's do this. We find a person nominate them, they contribute money, we tell okay, we have salary attempt for any of those people. Me, I'm not going to get involved. Yes. You know the reason why we assist Trump to today? Because that time I will contribute money, go book fundraising for Sako, then contribute my own money. Ask any county from the BLM, FACO, all the counties have the highest donor when it comes to activists and leaders will be online. Apart from people that go jail at the time. No activists or leaders not contribute 1 billion of my contribution for all my talk online. And the least I don't receive help ever. Now me every time I need agree, I need accept gift from no person. There is no ambassador at the time. Now that was supposed okay. Like Boy Peter and I said the one support for Telegram. They give me $130, I take them. Dr. Mufo give $300, I take them. The other person sent me equipment from one of our brothers from Boston. Yes. So when I only look at someone, I should not matter than one thing. All that I share for WhatsApp, they want to outcry for WhatsApp, you know, will win no war. The war will be won by coordination, understanding community priorities, and contributing. But then constitution don't be destroyed by circle. Constitution don't be destroyed. I did tell you 1 million percent, the regional election, I will not step in. I want to see for myself. Write it down. It will hold 100%. 100%. So long as me every time I not put my mouth inside. All polling stations will go effectively. When I make the noise, when I know the strategy. When I know the strategy. Yes. No strategy. You come to WhatsApp. You want to write the one, go talk to one, do this. All when I tell them, I mean a conspiracy. We not lie, all kind of lie. About Eric Tato. But still there. The most worst. Facebook don't suppress me. But we still get people still there. They deny of send notification. But you guys are still here. You know what that means? When I said the other day, I was unable to post for how many weeks? So, make it be very clear. So I want to seize the opportunity to apologize for PWD. Say, any audio one here, the one attack on a player on a discard. No ambassador, no one ever get any intention. You know, ever get them. You need to ever think of for attack PWD. That is our club. We support PWD. They are a political stand. Not all man must do what you want. Especially categories for poor, they will need to go touch them. For go touch PWD, they say go touch Bishop, Archbishop Obamenda, or go touch Pope or Pope. You can't do that. So me, I want to be very clear. With the hashtag Justice for Kumba, Oma, you join me. The hashtag Justice for Kumba. And if you know what share, listen. 3 things they never do. Hashtag Justice for Kumba. Then share this show. All of them for more than 1,000. Share the show. And then click on the like button. Everybody. Would they on the path of success, and until we evaluate and understand the necessities of the revolution, no, go ahead. Now I don't say I see tell all man. Don't make I say Sako this Chris and people not get zero recognition. No man none of them. We don't see all the audios around the camp. Thank God I leak all the audios before Facebook and suppress my page. And the page majority of the report the page now Sako people them. They will say they will move the page. They not even move this page. If they want to create no one. Sometimes we will start doing an analysis or Telegraph. How you see Don Lemon and the rest, they do their own analysis. Or the kind of issue for corruption inside the Brazilian Revolution. We'll talk and bring documents and put them out there. We will do it for Telegraph. Now, right? We will issue a Cameroon and do it wrong. We'll talk and put them with it neatly and professionally. We will issue for Uganda, talk and how Mussolini need to go for arrest Bobby Wine and the talking and saying coronavirus violations and stuff like that. Me all my hashtag Kumba. All my words, me just hashtag Kumba. Kumba. Now Kumba players don't die, don't bury them. Who remember them again? 1 month away pass. Mother will be 2 months, 3 months, 4 years, 5 years. We fight for how many years today? 3 full years for armed conflict, 4 years for crisis. Yet people don't know what to talk for ignite population. See how many people they play? How many people they pray say better? Me they think you meeting they be there, they should be there. People they pray now 50%. Now military don't gain 50% trust. We amber or more 50. But here on I still go to kidnap people. So at the end of the day, before listen, now only me I think get the courage to talk the thing. Yes, no, so if you know that talk, the worker and say the man have black legs. We now want to keep this information from people now be the black legs. In fact, we be green legs. Green legs them. Now the fear. No, you evaluate them. No, listen, let me tell you something. The truth is that the worst person, a person will not accept reality will concern himself. Let's say you know say again are too close, you claim say you get 6. That's also on the amber they behave. You dey in denial. The way I turn on a facts on the ground, I turn as somebody who's on the ground. Support don't split. Military struggle now go over 10. Me go 60, we go 40. Military go overtake us if we not take time. So where to go do now for grab back that 50% military don't take time. Now for stop doing nonsense like Christian they come okay talk all that nonsense they talk. We not do. That's the problem. A stark illiterate. Who have been sending kind of for the revolution? You get the point? All man join me hashtag Kumba. All man justice for Kumba should join me. You hashtag Kumba. So if I don't want to evaluate you, there for Ireland, you there you Norway, you there America, you there Europe, you go you work, come back, kiss your woman, touch your picking them. I Kwanga they celebrate picking birthday, say they Ghana, he picking the birthday, he prince, he away from his picking. Which Amber fighter to go post your own picking so? Me, since I started the revolution, show me one day I don't post my picking. If you say I don't get picking, they will post now. It's not correct. I will post myself, some little things, but I mean, to be honest, you go, you walk, you drive your motor spoil, you go mechanic, you go down, they crack, joke, chop, granite, you then find, they come on Facebook after me go key PWD. Thunder will fire you, come on, you surely come on, na Kampala, na Ugandan Thunder, because Thunder, all take come out, Cameroon and Amazon, no, surely they normal. We need full Thunder to play a secret power. So, I mean, sometimes I don't look and say, but these guys are not normal. You get the point? During a Thanksgiving, put BB turkey. The other day, my brother for Academy turkey, Baba fan. So they do video and so on and so forth. Man for Ghana don't get which turkey. Refugee don't get which turkey. Then when they give you small money, say you take and go help them, you see take the money, she don't want to make her, you chop the money. Armed robbers everywhere, criminals. Now when I was someone don't catch every time to look, I will tell them this truth to their faces. You'll do me waiting. I remember the most follow. Yes, the block for you will go for radio. People they download WhatsApp. So you must speak the truth to power. Not be saying okay every day revolution go where what can we are winning fatly. Now be now Trump see where Trump that lost election. He only say he win. Till today he still win. That's why now we got to change strategy. So make it be very clear, mommy and papa. All we will fight now for liberation. But we must agree to some point they need fight for liberation, either intentionally or unintentionally. And this will now Chris Arno and the Sako gang. These are La Republic proxies. Either they do them directly or indirectly, or they be paid, or they do them ignorantly. They be La Republic. Let me tell you. Yes, because I don't look number. When I was say election on the 7th, I can't tell you I need no every time I return. I will not do nothing. I will stop election. I will stop all children for Boyo. Bamenda, Mesa, I will take all children. I know which I will do. But I know what to do. When I give me draft money, or when I give me a little, but they will draft money 2 million. By now, 2 million more assumption on take any 100 or 200 can be enough to stop regional election. It be enough. Enough to stop regional election. But they say, oh, yeah, Prophet say, okay, no, this now so we'll go bomb that place, we'll go do this. But $1 I need them. Now after we go bomb place or dollar, they do it free. Or we go do something. No. They put all my money, they pay say they go for dollar or Yaoundé or Babusa or somewhere for go do that thing. When after they chop and hide the street for us, if you enter na which motor, which taxi, which bike, hide the leaf, if you use na which credit. No, now I need think am. Now every time I don't want a charity here. The struggle should be able to support itself. You get the point? When I need do nothing, when I only want every time to take action. No way. I don't see, to be honest, right? Sometimes I go for she don't and say, when I think about her. Say this young man, I'm 34. But I carry this thing on my head. You see? Zero substantial support. I mean, to be honest. It don't look normal. Yet every day, so now when she don't say so mommy, you live mommy, you live 50 years, you go do audio, conspiracy against every tattoo, you think say waiting. When I say don't say as I should not I say I think it go. Every day I think they limber the boom, politicians the campaign, they be them everywhere. Should they put the go, they be them go campaign. Who's that film actually? They sing their music. Tomorrow now, come. Where don't stay, you can make audio for full for them, they give money. That's why you should respond for the BLM and go for meeting. When I put in a treasury, put in a financial secretary, and they touch $1. I raise money all 18,000, 20,000, move my own $500 add on top, and they touch $1 in my hand. They put it on a basket for her face. Which one I ever get that kind of enthusiasm again? When I feel say, okay, no, now after I don't raise money, I take money and chop, I not get to complain. Now I talk say, my one every to head. None of them have to take my head. None of them. No Amber, no La Republic. It not ever happen. Me be very clear. So with that, we don't also be I will apologize for PWD and then I will talk about CAF now tomorrow. I don't want to be a show alone. I'll talk about CAF tomorrow. All man, they put it there for Anna and Anna Petrol. I don't look at so. Because at the end of the way, you try to get innovation, you think something there. People don't do any man, you want to do it, they want to. Put the one that every time I can talk, say, okay, we have to go do this. Can people contribute? And not do that nonsense again, not happen. You know, if you fix something, if you say, do contribute. You get the point. And it will not happen again. To be honest, they shut down Facebook blog myself. When I take time up, I see how I construct my business, I see the growth. It was tremendous. To be honest. So when you look sometimes, look what you sacrifice or you need sleep, you find information. There's some man go there, you chop na call or some chop na wait, you talk up on Facebook or WhatsApp, talk how you talk nonsense. You talk nonsense to a veteran. No, it's not going to happen no more. Paul or Sudan, they want to dictate what you got to do. $1 they need contributor. I did see talk them every day. Any amber way no say if it's a long inherit at $1 of this trouble, inherit at a chopper. Come off here, take my number. 917-480-1068. If you get out of state, out of America, put +1 917-480-1068. Call my number, complain, put the receipt for here. Nobody. And that's my strength. You know. So at the end of the day, we have to stay focused. No, I'll be happy. So to be honest, my brother, sometimes he lifting it. God used to just live sometimes meeting happen because he want me man know to his strength. I'm not saying I'll be God. That's not what I've said. I just called an example because all these when they will take, I say, oh, he say because that's how they always misinterpret. So I have to. So me be clear, I will not do nothing, and the regional election will hold. Now me I talk, mark the date of today, 2026. Mark the date. I think tomorrow I take counsel of the romantic show on a video if I like. They will release them back. So listen, let's give respect and honor where it's due. Not be these small jobless activities online way they can't defend for their own tip 1.4 million. Sako tip for money, 1.4 million, chop crap, buy tea and so on and so forth today. But we'll come back to that issue. So I'll be very grateful. I want to see this opportunity one more. Yesterday we talk about Verbatim LLC, where in a Scrum school, Scrum and Agile, and I'll see talking today. I'll give their phone number. I talk to all my followers. Call, enroll, you'll get discount. Call. When you call, you enroll, they'll give you discount. Yeah, discount it come for me. It go for you. Take note. Now the best school I'll talk today for anybody watch me. A lot of us who they out here will get the easiest way for getting job. Then when you do your Scrum, when you in Japan, you do Australia, you do Switzerland, Norway, England. Call this school today. They will teach you how to do Scrum, teach you Scrum Master, a lot of things. And after 6 weeks, they'll put you through the job market, you'll take interview, certify yourself. If you pick a job for up to 15 million CFA, which is 100,000 plus, if you pick up, it depends on the amount. So, we say they not going to hinder you, and you fit do negotiation or do payment instrumentally. So I will just read the number because I always end the show so Verbatim LLC, you call them for WhatsApp and for direct call, and the phone number is write them down. If you get them for if you write them for email for support@verbatim.com, if you get them on www.venbati.com. Venbatina, VENBATI, Venbatin. Okay, that phone number is +1 240 701 7796. +1 240 701 7796. +1 240 701 7796. So call them, and then you make sure say you register. Just call. You negotiate two things. Negotiate your price and your schedule. They're not going for the lecture say this. You get job here. You will not get job here, because you must get job if you make sure say you if you make sure so you do certification and then you find those jobs, you always get job, you know. So I'll give you the phone number. I'll give you one more time. So thank you. All my don't join. It was very great. I'll end the show. I don't want to go too far. +1 240 701 7796. And then I also want to support my brother away na CEO for a jab Sony, Ketron, a jump Sony, where they deal with guitar, microphone, sound system, all of those. So salute you. We'll talk more about it too. So any man way, you know, I get the number at the end of the show now. If you just go back to my show, you'll get the number for the end. I'll read the number one last time. +1 240 701 7796. It'll be very important for your profile. Just get them, you keep them. You must get job. I assure you, maybe few months, 1 year, but you always get job and you always help you to your businesses. Thank you so much. God bless you. And any other person who watch me, while you're in Uganda, anyway, get advertisement. Telegram is the best place if you advertise. So you'll contact us and we'll thank everybody. People the way they visit, they get project over here, execute and go down. Please contact us. We'll give you directive on how to do. I always talk and say, time not pass your car to say, okay, we got to do this. That time, I mean, to be honest, it look ridiculous. Say 1 month pass, 2 months pass, you know, say one win war, they win and say, we shall act, we can't tell you, get to do this, get to do this. No, it's not going to be like that no more. All right? Okay. So thank everybody. Thank you so much. And we'll say, may God bless all my don't watch this show. I will just block on one fake person here. You know that they announced before I block. I don't joke about that. The platform is huge, even though they don't suppress them. So we block any person where they out of the ideology for respect this platform. If it give comment, give suggestion, the lines and the way you cross them. Now my platform is I dictate who stays here and who goes away. You don't like it, you quit like immediately. Thank you so much. Bye bye.